Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. We start learning Quran for kids today. So today is part 1. So we are learn today only 7 letter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Those 7 letter we learn today. So alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha. Alif, 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 like Allah, Allah. Alif, a, alif, like Allah, Allah. Ba, 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 for Baitullah, Baitullah. Ba, 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 for Baitullah. Ta, 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 sa, 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 sa. Then jim, ja, ja, jim, jim, jim. Then ha, 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 ha. Then kha, 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 kha. Alif. Then ba is one nukta down, one nukta down. This is the ba. Ta is two nukta up, two nukta upside, two nukta upside. Then sa, sa 3, 1, 2, 3 nukta upside. Then jim, one nukta down. Jim, ha, there is no nukta. Then kha is one nukta up. This dot, this called nukta. This dot called nukta. So we will learn only 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 letter today. Only 7 letter today. Every other day we learn like around 6, 7 letter only. Only like 4 lesson we'll finish this 29 letter. 29 letter in a Quran. This whole alphabet is 29. So today only we will learn 7. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha. 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 একটু বাংলায় বলি। আজকে শুরু করছি ছোট বাচ্চাদের জন্য কোরআন শিক্ষা। তো আজকে আমরা শিখব অনলি 7টা লেটার, 7টা হরফ শিখব আজকে। 4টে লেসনে 29টা অক্ষর শেষ করব। তো আজকে অনলি 7 লেটার। আলিফ, বা, তা, সা, জিম, হা, খ। 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 আলিফ, বা, তা, সা, জিম, হা, খ।